Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert 3D clustered bar chart in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to insert 3D clustered bar chart in this document. Go to the Insert menu. Then click Chart option. And we can see here many charts. We select the bar chart. Then find the clustered 3D bar chart. Then select it and click OK. Now we can see here we insert a 3D clustered bar chart in this document. Then you can change the chart's layout, colors or style. Click the chart, then go to the design menu, then go to the colors option, then change the color of this chart. You can change the layout of this chart. Click the quick layout option and change the layout. You can change the chart data. Click the right button on our mouse and select edit data. Then open a sheet and we change the data using the sheet. Otherwise, you can change the legend of the chart. Now we can see here we change the legend of the chart and change the percentage of ranking. Now we can see here we insert 3D clustered bar chart and edit very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.